Hi guys, Nick here, and today I'm going to be doing Alva Dreamer's How to Train Dragon Playmobil set and Alva Dragon Racing Wave. And this one is Hiccup and Toothless from the second How to Train Dragon movie. And it's got 13 pieces, and the set number for it is 70727. And then we got the strike class symbol on the bottom of the corner here, and Toothless the Alpha and the King of Dragons are on the top right corner here. And we can see a couple of other dragons in the background here. And Toothless also shoots out a plasma blast here. And Hiccup has his fire sword here. And here's the back of the box. We got the other Dragon Riders here. And I did a better review before on Snowlord and Hudson here. And here's all the symbols for each dragon species. If you enjoyed today's Playmobil build and review video, make sure to give this video a like and comment. And if you're new to the channel, press that red subscribe button and turn on the notification bell if you're new. Anyway, you can also see that Toothless can grow up and grow in blue since he is now the alpha of all dragons, since he defeated Drogo Bloodfists, his Beware Beast. He's in the second movie. And now let's take a look on the inside here. It got that a little bit open. I got Toothless out. And got his foot out and wanted to pick up in the black sheep. And that's about it for the box. I would say in order to light this up, it is using some batteries. And not going to get any batteries right now. Just going to do the build and then do the review. And going to do a little bit of a time lapse for this one. And then come back and do the review. You might get some batteries later. And enjoy the build. And I'm back. Just finished building both Toothless and Hiccup's house armor here. And we'll start with a Playmobil video here. We got Hiccup, Haddock the Third, the son of Stark the Vast. As then, he is the main character throughout the original How to Train Dragon series before Heaven 9 Realms came out. And he's got his fire sword that he made from Race to the Edge series. And he's got his prosthetic leg right here. And I guess he only has one face. And he's got some Dragon Racing red paint. And this is the armor he had on during the second How to Train Dragon movie. And he is a black sheep that had earned more points in the Dragon Racing. And we got these two busters here. Like you saw during the timeouts with the third one, I accidentally launched out one of these screens here. Which you also saw during the timeouts. You saw me turning right in. You just pull up Toothless's top head and put it right into the buster part right there and pull it back and it shoots right out. And we got Toothless himself right here, the main dragon, and throughout the entire How to Train Dragon original series before the 9 realms. And we got some red paint for him in here too, along with his tail here, not the fake one that he's got. This is a fake tail he had throughout the How to Train Dragon franchise. As in, he's got, I guess, referencing Netflix or something. And in the series, as everybody knows that Toothless is the only Night Fairy left, and he met a Light Fury in the third movie and led all the dragons back to the hidden world. And he's got some green eyes right here. Yeah, and he's got some red paint all over his legs and wings. And that'll be it for today's Playmobil building review video. And like, comment, and subscribe. And turn on the notification bell if you're new. And more videos are coming out soon. And I'll see you guys in my next video. And peace.